Are you feeling stuck or overwhelmed, unsure of how to take control of your life and make meaningful changes? As a man, it's crucial to address these challenges head-on to achieve personal and professional fulfillment. Fixing your life isn't just about quick fixes. It's about creating lasting, positive habits that lead to long-term success and well-being. In this guide, How to Fix Your Life in 30 Days as a Man, 6 tips, we will explore practical steps you can take to transform your life, regain confidence, and build a foundation for a brighter future. Tip number 1. Break bad habits. Breaking bad habits is crucial to fixing your life because these negative patterns can hold you back from reaching your full potential. Bad habits such as smoking, excessive drinking, overeating, or procrastination can damage your health, drain your energy, and reduce your productivity. These habits create a cycle of negative behavior that keeps you from achieving your goals. By breaking these patterns, you open up the possibility for positive change and personal growth. Eliminating bad habits allows you to focus on developing healthier routines and making better choices that can lead to a more fulfilling and successful life. To break bad habits quickly, it is essential to follow a simple, structured approach. First, identify the habit you want to change and understand why it exists. Reflect on the triggers that cause you to engage in the habit and the rewards you get from it. Once you understand the root cause, replace the bad habit with a positive one that provides similar rewards. For example, if you smoke to relieve stress, you might replace it with deep breathing exercises or a quick walk. It is also important to set clear, achievable goals and track your progress. Breaking a habit is not an overnight process, but setting small milestones can keep you motivated and focused. Another effective strategy for breaking bad habits is to create a supportive environment. Surround yourself with people who encourage and support your efforts to change. Share your goals with friends or family members who can hold you accountable and provide encouragement when needed. Additionally, remove any temptations that might lead you back to your old habits. If you're trying to eat healthier, clear your pantry of junk food and stock up on nutritious options. Finally, be patient and kind to yourself. Breaking a habit can be challenging and setbacks are normal. Instead of getting discouraged, use setbacks as learning experiences and recommit to your goals. By maintaining a positive mindset and staying consistent with your efforts, you can successfully break bad habits and transform your life. Tip number 2. Take a test to know if you have a strong body. Taking a test to know if you have a strong body is essential for any man looking to improve his life. Physical strength is a cornerstone of good health, confidence, and overall well-being. By assessing your fitness level, you gain a clear understanding of your body's current state, which is the first step towards making meaningful improvements. This knowledge helps you create a workout plan tailored to your specific needs, ensuring you target the right areas for development. Without this initial assessment, you may waste time and effort on ineffective or even harmful exercises. The first test you should consider is a basic strength assessment. This can include exercises like push-ups, pull-ups, squats, and planks. For example, see how many push-ups you can do in 1 minute or how long you can hold a plank position. These exercises measure your muscle strength and endurance. Record your results to track your progress over time. Another useful test is the flexibility assessment, which can be done with a simple sit and reach test. This test helps you understand your flexibility level, which is important for preventing injuries and improving overall mobility. Cardiovascular fitness is another crucial aspect to test. A simple way to measure this is by timing yourself on a 1-mile run or a similar distance. Note how long it takes you to complete the run and monitor your heart rate before and after. High cardiovascular fitness indicates a healthy heart and lungs, which are essential for overall health and longevity. Additionally, consider checking your body composition. This involves measuring your body fat percentage and muscle mass. Tools like skinfold calipers or body composition scales can help with this assessment. Knowing your body composition gives you insight into your overall health and helps you set realistic fitness goals. Understanding your physical fitness is crucial if you want to fix your life as a man. Good physical health boosts your confidence, energy energy levels, and mental clarity, all of which are important for personal and professional success. By taking these tests, you identify areas that need improvement, allowing you to focus your efforts where they are most needed. This targeted approach not only makes your fitness routine more effective, but also prevents injuries and burnout. Furthermore, seeing your progress over time can be highly motivating, reinforcing your commitment to a healthier lifestyle. In conclusion, taking a fitness test is a vital step towards building a stronger, healthier body and ultimately fixing your life. Tip number 3. Use only exercise to build the perfect male physique. To build the perfect male physique using only exercise, you need to focus on a well-rounded workout routine that includes strength training, cardiovascular exercise, and flexibility training. Strength training is the foundation of muscle building and should be a key part of your routine. Exercises like bench presses, squats, deadlifts, and pull-ups target major muscle groups, promoting muscle growth and enhancing overall body strength. Aim to perform strength training exercises at least 3 to 4 times a week, allowing time for muscle recovery between sessions. Cardiovascular exercise, such as running, cycling, or swimming, is also important. It helps improve heart health, boosts metabolism, and aids in burning fat, which is crucial for achieving a lean, muscular physique. Lastly, don't neglect flexibility training, including stretching and yoga, which enhances muscle elasticity, reduces injury risk, and improves overall body movement. Focusing on exercise to build your ideal physique is not just about physical appearance. It plays a significant role in fixing your life as a man. Regular exercise improves mental health by reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety, boosting mood, and enhancing cognitive function. It also increases energy levels, making it easier to tackle daily tasks and responsibilities with vigor. Exercise promotes better sleep, which is essential for overall health and well-being. By committing to a consistent exercise routine, you establish discipline and dedication, qualities that can positively impact other areas of your life, such as work and personal relationships. The sense of accomplishment from meeting fitness goals can also boost self-esteem and confidence, further enhancing your quality of life. The importance of exercise in fixing your life cannot be overstated. In addition to the physical and mental benefits, exercise fosters a sense of control and empowerment. As you see your body transform and your fitness levels improve, you gain a sense of achievement and pride that spills over into other aspects of your life. Exercise teaches patience and perseverance, as results are not immediate but require consistent effort over time. This mindset can be applied to personal and professional challenges, helping you to overcome obstacles and achieve long-term goals. Moreover, leading an active lifestyle sets a positive example for those around you, potentially inspiring friends and family to adopt healthier habits. In conclusion, using exercise as the primary tool to build the perfect male physique is a holistic approach that enhances not only your physical appearance but also your mental health, discipline, and overall quality of life. Tip number 4. Buying before the point of diminishing returns will make you rich. Understanding and applying the principle of buying before the point of diminishing returns is crucial for fixing your life as a man. This economic concept teaches you to recognize when further spending or investment will no longer yield proportional benefits. By mastering this principle, you can make smarter financial decisions, ensuring that your money is used efficiently and effectively. This approach helps you avoid unnecessary expenditures and maximize the value of your investments. By focusing your resources where they have the greatest impact, you create a solid foundation for financial stability and growth, which is essential for long-term success and security. To implement this principle, start by evaluating your spending habits and investments. Identify areas where you might be overspending without receiving significant benefits. For example, investing in high-end technology or luxury items often provides diminishing returns compared to more cost-effective alternatives. Prioritize spending on essentials and investments that genuinely enhance your quality of life or financial position. This could include education, health, and basic necessities. When considering investments, such as in stocks, real estate, or business ventures, analyze the potential returns and set clear limits on how much you will invest. Look for opportunities that offer high returns with minimal additional investment, and be prepared to stop investing further when those returns start to diminish. Applying the principle of diminishing returns is not only about saving money, but also about making your money work harder for you. By avoiding wasteful expenditures, you can allocate more resources towards savings, investments, or ventures that offer significant returns. This strategy helps you build wealth over time, leading to financial independence and the ability to pursue your goals and dreams. Additionally, this disciplined approach to spending and investing fosters a mindset of critical thinking and long-term planning, which are essential qualities for personal and professional success. In conclusion, understanding and utilizing the concept of diminishing returns is a powerful tool for fixing your life as a man. It enables you to make informed financial decisions, avoid waste, and build a solid foundation for wealth and stability. Tip number 5. Surround yourself with high-quality men. Surrounding yourself with high-quality men is crucial if you want to fix your life as a man. The people you associate with significantly influence your behaviors, attitudes, and overall outlook on life. High-quality men are those who demonstrate integrity, ambition, and positivity. They push you to be better, hold you accountable, and support your goals. By aligning yourself with such individuals, you create an environment that fosters growth and improvement. This supportive network can help you stay focused on your ambitions, provide valuable advice, and offer encouragement during challenging times. In essence, the quality of your relationships directly impacts the quality of your life. Being around high-quality men is important because they serve as role models and sources of inspiration. These men often possess qualities and skills you may aspire to develop in yourself. Observing their behavior and learning from their experiences can guide you in making better decisions and adopting productive habits. They can offer insights into overcoming obstacles, achieving professional success, and maintaining personal integrity. Additionally, high-quality men tend to have strong values and principles that can help you refine your own moral compass. This kind of influence is invaluable in shaping your character and helping you become a better version of yourself. To surround yourself with high-quality men, seek out environments where such individuals are likely to be found. Join professional organizations, attend industry conferences, or participate in community groups that align with your interests and goals. Be proactive in building relationships by engaging in meaningful conversations and showing genuine interest in others. It's also important to contribute positively to these relationships by offering support and encouragement in return. Over time, you will build a network of high-quality men who not only inspire and motivate you, but also become trusted friends and mentors. This network will be a cornerstone of your personal and professional development, helping you to navigate life's challenges with confidence and resilience. By surrounding yourself with high-quality men, you create a foundation for continuous growth and improvement, ensuring that you are always moving towards a better, more fulfilling life. Tip number 6. Forget about women if you're 18 to 25 above. For men aged 18 to 25, focusing on personal and professional development instead of romantic relationships can be a crucial step in fixing their lives. This period is foundational for establishing habits, skills, and mindsets that will influence the rest of your life. By temporarily setting aside the pursuit of romantic relationships, you can allocate more time and energy towards self-improvement and goal setting. This focus can lead to more significant achievements and a stronger sense of self, which will ultimately make you more attractive and better prepared for meaningful relationships in the future. One effective way to channel your energy away from romantic pursuits is to engage in regular exercise. Physical fitness is not only beneficial for your health, but also boosts your confidence and mental clarity. Establishing a consistent workout routine can help you develop discipline, reduce stress, and improve your overall overall well-being. Activities like weightlifting, running, or even participating in sports can provide a structured outlet for your energy and serve as a productive distraction. Additionally, achieving fitness goals can be highly rewarding and motivate you to set and accomplish other personal goals. Another critical area to focus on is financial independence. Use this time to advance your education, build your career, and develop financial literacy. Invest in skills that are in demand and seek opportunities that align with your long-term career goals. Save and invest your money wisely to build a secure financial foundation. By prioritizing your financial stability, you reduce future stress and increase your ability to provide for yourself and others. Financial independence also grants you more freedom and flexibility in your personal life, allowing you to make choices based on your values and goals rather than financial necessity. The decision to prioritize personal and professional development over romantic relationships during your early adulthood can have profound long-term benefits. This period of focused self-improvement helps you build a robust foundation for your future. It ensures that when you do enter into relationships later, you do so as a more confident, capable, and stable individual. This approach not only enhances your chances of success in various areas of life, but also prepares you for healthier, more fulfilling relationships. By investing in yourself now, you set the stage for a prosperous and well-rounded future. In conclusion, forgetting about women in favor of self-development during the ages of 18 to 25 can be a transformative strategy for fixing your life as a man. Prioritizing exercise and financial independence creates a solid foundation for future success and happiness. In summary of this lesson, by implementing the lesson of focusing on personal and professional development over romantic relationships during the ages of 18 to 25, men can achieve significant and lasting outcomes. One of the most notable benefits is the development of a strong sense of self. By dedicating this period to self-improvement, men can discover their true interests, strengths, and values, leading to a clearer life direction and purpose. This self-awareness not only enhances personal fulfillment, but also makes them more attractive and engaging partners in future relationships. Additionally, the habits and skills acquired during this time, such as discipline from regular exercise and financial literacy from careful money management, provide a solid foundation for long-term success and stability. Moreover, focusing on self-development early in life can lead to substantial professional and financial achievements. Men who invest in their education, career, and financial health during these formative years are likely to experience accelerated career growth, greater financial independence, and more opportunities for personal and professional advancement. These accomplishments build confidence and resilience, enabling men to tackle future challenges with greater ease and assurance. Ultimately, this approach not only prepares men for healthier, more fulfilling relationships, but also sets the stage for a prosperous and balanced life, where personal satisfaction and professional success are harmoniously intertwined. By prioritizing self-improvement during their early adulthood, men can create a powerful and positive trajectory for their futures. So this is the end of our lesson. I hope you learned something. If you found this video valuable and you think this will help you, please consider to leave your thumbs up and subscribe. It helps us a lot and it costs you nothing.